ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا لا. أتعلم أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم أنا أتعلم حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. This is Islam Al-Bas from Ibn Khaldun Schools. Today we are going to deal with English World Class 5, Grade 5, Unit 10, Lesson 2, and the title of our lesson today is Reading Comprehension and Vocabulary. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students are guided to reread The Land Under the Oceans, answer multiple choice and personal response questions, and practice vocabulary. So let's start our lesson today. Kindly open your People's Book page 104. Page 104. Our lesson today is Reading Comprehension and Vocabulary. Okay, let's start. Do you remember the previous lesson? You are kindly asked to reread the previous lesson on pages 102 and 103. Reread the previous lesson before you answer these questions. Okay, exercise 1. Underline the correct answer. You have to read and choose from A, B, or C. Number 1. Sunlight can go down through water 10 meters, 100 meters, 1000 meters. The answer is great. It's B, 100 meters. Question number 2. The deepest trench goes down 110 meters, 1100 meters, 11,000 meters. The answer is great. C. The deepest trench goes down 11,000 meters. Number 3. There is no sunlight at all deeper than. There is no sunlight at all deeper than 1,000 meters, 150 meters, 300 meters. Excellent. There is no sunlight at all deeper than 1,000 meters. 4. Animals at 3,000 meters live in darkness, in trenches, on the ocean floor. Good. In darkness. Animals at 3,000 meters live in darkness. Number 5. In a year, a chimney can grow by 0.6 meters, 6 meters, 16 meters. Excellent. In a year, a chimney can grow by 6 meters. Number 6. The top of a tube worm looks like a red feather, flower, firework, . Great. A. The top of a tube worm looks like a red feather. Number 7. Robot machines can be operated from a computer, a ship, a submersible. The answer is B. Excellent. Robot machines can be operated from a ship. Number 8. Scientists are looking for other ways of exploring chimneys, the oceans, the ocean floor. So the answer is C. Scientists are looking for other ways of exploring the ocean floor. Excellent. Check your answers. Now let's move to exercise number 2. Think about the answers to these questions. So we have 3 questions here, and we are going to read them and discuss them and find answers according to you. Number 1. Would you like to travel down to the ocean floor? Why or why not? Number 2. Do you think tube worms are fascinating, ugly, beautiful, or horrible? And give the reason why. Question 3. What information in the land under the oceans did you know? What didn't you know? Information that you knew and information that you didn't know. Okay, now let's discuss these questions. Think about the answers to these questions. Question number 1. Would you like to travel down to the ocean floor? Why or why not? For me, yes, I would like to travel down to the ocean floor. And why? To see the fascinating creatures down there. So, I'd like to travel down to the ocean floor to see the fascinating creatures down there. Question number 2. Do you think tube worms are fascinating, ugly, beautiful, or horrible? And give the reason. I think they are fascinating because they have food without a mouth or a stomach. I think they are fascinating because they have food without a mouth or a stomach. Let's discuss the third question. What information in the land under the oceans did you know? And what didn't you know? So I made a table and I wrote down information that I know about the land under the oceans and things that I didn't know. For me, known information and unknown information. Let's start with the known information for me. 1. Sunlight can go down through water to about 100 meters. Number 2. At 300 meters, it's already dark and cold. Number 3. The world's oceans are about 3,000 meters deep. Number 4. The deepest trench goes down 11,000 meters. Let's go to unknown information for me. Number 1. Submersibles can go down at 4,000 meters. Submersibles can go down at 4,000 meters. Number 2. A chimney can grow by 6 meters in a year. A chimney can grow by 6 meters in a year. 3. Tube worms can grow to 2.4 meters tall. Tube worms can grow to 2.4 meters tall. Number 4. A tube worm has no mouth or stomach. And that's all for our discussion for these questions. After we discussed these questions, we are going to move to the second part of our lesson today, which is vocabulary. Before we start answering the questions, we are going to learn a new vocabulary through word wall. Okay, listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Plume. Plume. Excellent. It's a large feather. A large feather. Comfortable. Comfortable. Great. Relaxed. Relaxed. Plain. 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 Good. It's a large flat area of the land. A large flat area of the land. Anchor. 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 Excellent. An object that holds something steady. Pile up. Pile up. Pile up. Great. This gold is piled up. This gold is piled up. Sloop. 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 Great. Where the land goes up or down. Where the land goes up or down. Bottom. Bottom. Yes, the lowest part of something. The lowest part of something. Submersible. 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 Yes, great. Light up. Light up. To become bright. To become bright. The last word is trench. 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 Excellent. Deep channel. Deep channel. That's great. Let's go back to our People's Book, page 104. Activity 3. Choose the correct words to complete each sentence. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. The words are button, button, light up, light up, comfortable, comfortable, pile up, pile up, submersible, submersible. Number 1. The scientists went down to 2,000 meters in a space. Great. Submersible, submersible. Number 2. When fireworks explode, they space the sky. When fireworks explode, they space the sky. Great. Light up, light up. 3. The teacher said, please space your books on my desk. The teacher said, please space your books on my desk. The answer is Pile up. Excellent. Pile up. Pile up. 4. This chair is very space. This chair is very great, comfortable. So this chair is very comfortable. Number 5. There was a river at the base of the hill. There was a river at the base of the hill. Great. Bottom. Bottom. Great, let's move to the workbook. So kindly open your workbook, page 93. Page 93. Reading comprehension and vocabulary. Exercise 1. Read The Land Under the Oceans again. So you have to reread The Land Under the Ocean again, the previous lesson. Exercise 2. Match the descriptions to the pictures. Then answer the questions. We have 4 pictures, 4 descriptions, and 4 questions. So we will look at the pictures and match them to their descriptions here, then answer the question from the descriptions. So, picture number A. What can you see in this picture? Great. It's a robot machine. Robot machine. Picture B. What can you see in this picture? Excellent. Chimneys. Chimneys. Picture 3. What's in picture 3? Good. Tube worm. A tube worm. Picture D. What can you see in this picture? Great. Submersible. Submersible. So let's read description number 1 and match it with its suitable picture. Let's read the information. It can go down to 4,000 meters. It has lights that light up the ocean. It carries people. So, what's it? Excellent. Picture D. Submersible. Submersible. It's a submersible. So number 1 is D. Number 2. It can go deeper than 4,000 meters. It's operated from a ship. It can record information about the ocean. So, what's it? Great. Picture A. Robot machine. Robot machine. So, number 2, A. 3. It grows on the ocean floor. Lots of animals live near it. It can grow by 6 meters in a year. What's it? Great. It's B. Chimney. Chimney. So, description 3 is B. Let's move to the last description. It can be 2.4 meters tall. It lives on a chimney. It gets food from the water around it. What's it? Great. It's a tube worm. So number 4 is picture C. Okay, the second part of this activity is to answer these 4 questions. You will read the questions and answer it from its description. Number 1. How much can a chimney grow in a year? How much can a chimney grow in a year? Yes, a chimney can grow by 6 meters in a year. A chimney can grow by 6 meters in a year. Please answer number 2, 3, 4 as a homework. The last part in our lesson today is activity 3. Write the words in the box next to their definitions. Write the words in the box next to their definitions. Remember to pause this video and go back to the word wall part to revise vocabulary. Number 1. A deep channel. A deep channel. What's a deep channel? Great. It's trench. Trench. Kindly complete this activity as a homework at home. Okay, that's all for our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.